This is not test. Listen careful to the information presented. Ben's fog advisor will be effective until 2:10 p.m. Vision will be locked during this time. Avoid vehicular transport and get home safe using GPS apps. This is not test. Listen careful to the information displayed. The fog has not faded, and instead has worsened. Long-term exposure to the fog is a threat to mental health. Non-perishable food and water will be delivered to your doorstep 3 times a day. Make sure to ration the food with other family members. Thank you for listening. Your regular scheduled programming will continue. This is not test. Listen careful to the information presented. Lock all doors and windows. If you hear a knock, do not answer. Pretend you are not there and block invisibility using blinds or curtains. Reduce the noise in your house. Use headphones or earbuds to keep sound away. After the knocking has stopped, report it to authorities immediately. Detail every part of your experience. If you own camera equipment placed outside your home, please explain what you saw during the recording. Thank you for listening. Your regular scheduled programming will continue.